Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 14th episode to create a WordPress website using our own custom theme. In the previous episode, we worked on the blog page, and today we'll be working on contact page. First of all, let's create a new plugin called Contact Form 7. This is one of the popular plugins which can be used in contact form. So open your admin panel, go to plugin, click on add new, then you can search Contact Form 7 over here, then click on install now. Click on activate. Now we need shortcode so that we can add in contact page, and in order to get the shortcode you can click on this contact, you can copy the shortcode and then go to all pages, click on contact, you can remove this content block, so I will just remove it, then I will just add shortcode and paste the shortcode over here, update. Now if you go to the contact page, you should see a nice contact form over here. And if you want to modify any of this column or any information, then you can always go to this contact and then click on this contact form 1, and then you can change over here. So instead of required, I will just add asterisk, and if you're happy with the changes, you can click on this save. Now refresh the site and you can see the asterisk over here. Finally, if you want to change the email address of the receiver, then you can always go to this mail tab and change the receiver email over here. Also, you can change all of this information over here, and once you're happy with the information, you can always click on this save button. This is the end of this final session. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn WordPress using custom theme. I will see you again next time with next course. Also, if you want some hosting companies to host your website, then you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and all the best.